In this video, I will be discussing 5 things that can hinder your ability to manifest your desires. By avoiding these 5 things, you can see instant results in your manifestation journey. If you practice any manifestation method from Neville Goddard's teachings but are not seeing any results, then it is highly likely that you are doing one or more of these things. Before we dive into the discussion, please consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. When practicing manifestation methods, it's essential to follow the conditions suggested by experts like Neville Goddard. Each manifestation has specific conditions that must be met to see results quickly. In this video, we will share valuable insights that we have learned from studying Neville Goddard's books. If you have been trying to manifest for weeks or months without success, then this video will help you understand what you may be doing wrong. While some of the strategies we discuss may be challenging to implement, we have devised a plan that will help you achieve your desired results quickly. Remember, what we focus on, we attract more of. Therefore, it's crucial to focus on the end results and avoid undesirable thoughts. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of what to avoid to manifest your desires successfully. In order to manifest your desires successfully, it's important to shift your focus away from your current reality and onto what you want to manifest. However, many of us have been trained to focus on what we currently have, regardless of whether we like it or not. To manifest our desires, we must ignore the things we don't want and concentrate on the things we do want. This requires us to stay in a state of wish fulfillment, as our focus and attention bring things into existence. Unfortunately, we often focus on negative thoughts and the things we don't want to manifest, which leads to more of the same undesirable experiences. To help you manifest your desires more effectively, I've identified 5 things that have nothing to do with manifestation. If you're currently doing any of these things, it's crucial that you stop doing them immediately. The first thing you need to stop doing is dwelling on the past, as it can have negative consequences on our ability to manifest our desires. As adults, we tend to think about past experiences, and unfortunately, this often leads to manifesting more undesirable circumstances in our lives. While it is natural to feel sad when we remember something negative from our past, we have the power to choose whether we allow those memories to affect our present and future. By continually thinking about unpleasant experiences, we run the risk of allowing them to shape our reality and keep us from manifesting positive experiences. It is essential to understand that our desires and manifestations are intricately linked to our future. Rather than dwelling on the past, we should focus our attention and energy on what we want to achieve in the future. By thinking about our goals and aspirations, we can become excited and motivated to manifest them into reality. Neville Goddard suggests that we stay in a state of wish fulfillment, which essentially means living in the future we desire. It is crucial to note that our current circumstances do not have to define our future. If our present situation is unfavorable, we should ignore it and focus solely on what we want to manifest. Paying attention to our current reality can lead to manifesting more negative experiences. Therefore, it is crucial to shift our focus on what we desire and be prepared to receive it when it comes into our lives. Remember, our thoughts have the power to shape our reality, so we must focus on positive experiences and let go of negative ones to manifest the life we desire. At number 2, we have overthinking. Overthinking is a common habit that many individuals tend to engage in, which can ultimately hinder their ability to manifest their desires. Overthinking can become an addiction that is challenging to break, making it a primary cause for delayed manifestation. When you are overthinking, you are manifesting an array of thoughts that are scattered, making it difficult to decide what your main focus should be. As a result, you may find it challenging to focus on the thoughts that are related to your desire, preventing you from feeling and assuming the state of that desire. To live in the state of your desire, Neville Goddard suggests feeling as though your wish has already been manifested and embodying that state. This requires focus and attention, which can be challenging when your mind is scattered with various thoughts. To stop overthinking, meditation is an effective way to relax your mind and allow you to choose specific thoughts to focus on. Meditation is closely linked to manifestation, as it helps you get into a deep state of relaxation, allowing you to connect with your subconscious mind to reprogram it. Moreover, meditation aids in reducing anxiety and depression, leaving you feeling satisfied and attentive. Number 3, involves always trying to make other people happy. If you truly want to manifest your desire quickly, it's important to stop trying to make others happy. When you focus on making others happy, it often leads to your own unhappiness. This is because everyone has their own unique perspective on life, influenced by a multitude of factors such as upbringing, beliefs, and experiences. Their goals and desires may not align with yours, and their actions and reactions may not be what you expect. Therefore, stay in your own lane and focus on what you want. Number 4, encompasses doubting yourself all the time. According to Neville Goddard, our thoughts and assumptions about ourselves, the method we use, and the thing we want to manifest, all become reality in some form. When you doubt yourself, you are secretly telling yourself that you don't deserve or aren't capable of manifesting your desire. Thus, it's crucial to avoid doubting and judging yourself when you desire something. Instead, believe that the thing you want is easy for you to manifest, and it has always been yours. Think from the end. This way, you'll be able to manifest your desires quickly and easily. Doubts are negative assumptions that become facts, so if you doubt yourself or the process, you'll likely fail to manifest your desires, or the process will become slower than expected. The law of assumption is a game of thoughts, so if you have positive thoughts and beliefs, no matter what technique or method you follow, it's going to work, and your desire will become yours. Take note that surrounding yourself with people who believe in you and support you is essential to enhancing your manifestation capabilities. Your thoughts are heavily influenced by those around you, so it's important to surround yourself with people who will help you manifest your desires. The 5th thing that is holding you back from manifesting your desires is that you aren't able to let go. It is crucial to have complete faith in the process and believe that it works. Once you have acted upon the process and done what you needed to do, you must become entirely satisfied and wait for the results. It's like sowing a seed and letting it grow without worrying about the process of growth. Neville Goddard suggested that you live in the state of your wish being fulfilled. When you believe and feel that your desire has already come true, you start living your life as if it has manifested. You make a shift in your lifestyle and way of thinking because you have entered another state. Your reality has changed, so your vision and thoughts must also change. Don't wait for your manifestation to come true. Believe that it has already come true, and start living your life accordingly. Your way of thinking, talking, and acting should reflect that you have manifested your desire. I hope that my analysis of Neville Goddard's process has been informative and helpful. It is important to note that while we may not agree with every aspect of his beliefs, it is valuable to discuss and understand his approach and ideas. Neville Goddard was a great teacher who inspired millions of people worldwide. If you would like to share your opinion, please feel free to leave a comment below this video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to receive notifications for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.